In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this animation using Canva. The size I'm using here is the Instagram post design 1080 by 1350. Let's get into it. Duplicate the first page of your design. Now I'm simply deleting the lines I added for symmetry. Add new lines to mark the position of each item on the menu. It's not compulsory, but it helps you stay consistent throughout the design. Make sure you lock them so they don't interfere with your design process. Resize all the items on the menu to fit the lines that you added earlier. Arrange them and align them. Resize the first item on your menu and make sure to check the size of the font so you can maintain consistency when you're resizing the others. After that, select background colors. These are some that I made beforehand. I'm using two colors here, white and one that I'm going to be taking from the menu item. Select one, select the color picker, place it on the menu item and click to pick the color you are pleased with. After that, duplicate the page. Decrease the size of the one you just worked on and place it at the bottom. Rearrange the menu. Every menu item now moves one place to the right and one place upwards. Select the one at the top, resize it and make it bigger. Try and make sure it's in a similar size to the last one. A good way to know that is checking the font size that I mentioned earlier. Place it in a similar position. Select the color and change the background color. Duplicate the page and repeat. At this point, you are simply repeating everything that you've done before. Resize, rearrange, change color, and duplicate. All throughout the design, make sure to not change anything within the group of the item. Match and move, which is the animation you will use, works by recognizing and matching similar elements. So if you change something, it won't work like the rest. After that, select transition, click on match and move and adjust the timing to your liking. Apply to all pages. Just like that, you are done. That's it for today's tutorial. Before you go, if you'd like professionally designed Canva templates you can customize for your own brand or projects, I've linked some in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva. I'll see you in the next video.